wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best sewer hose kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Camco Rhinoextreme comes with reusable locking rings and end caps to keep drips and dribbles from fouling your storage space between uses, and its swivel bayonet elbow and lug fittings make for swift and effortless attachment to your rig system and on-site connectors. It's made from a crush and pinhole resistant TPE and works with threaded or slip valves. However, it is less durable than other models. At number 9, offered in your choice of 15 or 20 foot lengths, the Thetford Titan features a patented rotating multi-adapter with a handle for quick and easy discharging. It's resistant to abrasions, punctures and temperature fluctuations, but may not be the longest lasting option. It comes with extended grip fittings and 2 end caps, but it doesn't compress for compact storage. Coming in at number 8 in our list. With the Lippert Waste Master, a leak-proof cam lock system ensures a secure, drip-free connection every time, and an exterior helical coil means less yucky stuff will get stuck on the interior surface of the line, making for easier operation and cleanup at the dump site. It includes a nozzle with an easy grip handle and a clear view 90-degree discharge port. However, this one can't be stored inside your bumper. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewer hose kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, whether you've got some distance to cover or just a short hop to the inlet valve, the Valterra Viper makes the process of hooking up your septic system easy. The well-made tubes remain flexible even in temperatures 30 degrees below freezing. This one's made from a 26mm TPE material that's puncture and abrasion resistant, but it doesn't come with end caps. Moving up our list to number 6. Each 10-foot section of the Camco Revolution compresses down to a couple of feet in length, which comes in pretty handy when space is at a premium. Pre-fitted 360-degree swivel connectors and a translucent bayonet elbow fitting with removable universal adapter complete this set. It seals tightly to prevent leaks and is a heavy-duty vinyl construction. However, storage in a 4-inch bumper may be snug. Halfway up our list at number 5. For the power of pulverization without the need for electricity, the Valterra sewer solution works like a macerator, using an influx of water to break up solids and dilute the gunk it pumps from the tank. It can also be used to flush and clean the system after dumping. It includes a smooth non-kinking hose and a full manufacturer's warranty. It fits most standard connections. At number 4, 2 10-foot lengths of heavy-duty 18mm vinyl tubing with pre-attached swivel fittings, a 4-in-1 adapter, and a clear extender connection make the Camco Deluxe a reliable choice for frequent travel and long-term use, and it comes with drip caps for mess-free storage. It includes a transparent elbow and is 28 inches when fully compressed. It works with various configurations. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Prest-o-fit Ultimate works by using push-on quick connectors, securing without the need for clamps, yet it's still highly resistant to leaks thanks to its X-ring seal. This system is suitable for long-term use and is reliable in various weather conditions. It's a great backup option that can be extended with a simple coupler. It's made with easy-to-use friction-fit components. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewer hose kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the tubing of the Camco Rhinoflex is made of sturdy polyolefin reinforced with steel wire, so you can rest assured that it won't collapse even if a good deal of weight accidentally ends up atop it. A removable 4-in-1 adapter makes it easy to hook up at any type of site. It comes with a bayonet and lug fittings, a translucent elbow, and storage caps. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Available in 15 and 20-foot lengths, the Valterra Dominator features a UV stabilized construction that maintains its flexibility down to -30 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can bask in the balmy sunshine or tackle the snowy heights with confidence in your sanitation system. It's equipped with easy rotating fittings and a clear 90-degree universal adapter. It's 23mm thick. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewer hose kits, or simply click beneath this video.